All right, good morning or afternoon or evening, whenever it is that you are watching this video. My name is Guillermo Badenes, and right to my left or right, however it is that you're watching this, is Professor Maria Jose Buteler. Maria Jose.
Hi, everybody. Nice to meet you finally.
Finally, the day has come, and we are starting this graduate course on contemporary literature. And Maria Jose, what is it that we're going to be doing?
Okay, we are going to be working with texts from prose and drama, as from modernism, first half of the 20th century to present time. I will be working mainly with prose, and Guillermo, what will you be doing?
I'm going to be working with plays, with drama, and this way you have the best of two worlds. On the one hand, we are going to be tackling the three same periods, as Maria Jose very well said, the early or mid 20th century, the late 20th century, and the 21st century. And this is us, units 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, and 5 and 6.
All right.
So what will you be starting with now, actually, in this unit 1?
Week 1, the first week, we are going to be working with modernism. We are going to be reading some critical articles on the movement, and then we are going to read 3 novels. And in fact, 1 novel and 2 short stories by modernist writers. What about you, Guillermo? What will you be doing in the same period?
The second week, unit number 2, we're going to be working exactly on the same literary period, that is modernism, but from the point of view of drama. And so we are going to, again, take critical articles and then read 2 plays. And in our course on Moodle, you will see that there are 2 performances of these plays, always good, because then you get a good idea of how long it would take you to read. So watch the clips of the plays as well. So that is modernism. But then we move on to unit number 3, Maria Jose, right?
Which is postmodernism. Again, we are going to start with the period, with the main characteristics of the movement, and how this is reflected in the 3 novels that I have chosen. Remember that you will also be working with oral presentations, because you will be in charge of presenting the texts, either the novels or the plays that Guillermo will be dealing with.
So it is not only our faces that are going to be recorded, but yours as well. Unit number 4 is postmodern drama. As I said in my presentation for Unit 4, the video presentation, I am not including critical articles because, as I said, we're going to be stealing from Professor Buteler's ideas on postmodernism, and we're going to see how those ideas apply in drama. And then that is halfway our course. And then towards the end, Maria Jose, unit number 5 is going to be
postmodernism, or what we understand by contemporary literature. Again, we are going to be working with a period, and I will exemplify it with 1 short story and 2 novels. One from the realm of ethnic literature, and the other a representative of the new realism of the 21st century.
So basically, she's right in everything she does, because I am somehow stealing from her ideas. And I'm also in drama going to be working on ethnic literature. Technically the 2, but one of them is realistic, and that is interesting. That is very contemporary, and we are delighted to have this class together because, as I said, you will have a balance between modern, postmodern, and post-post or contemporary prose and drama. So, what else, Maria Jose? What are we going? They're going to be doing. You said oral presentations on some of the works, and we're also going to be meeting, right, face to face.
Exactly. We are going to have one synchronic class every Friday so far, unless in our first class we arranged to have the meetings on Saturday morning. But this will be established after we have the first class on Friday from 5:30 to 7:30, right? Apart from the oral presentations, you are going to be working with different activities that we have assigned in the section activities in every unit. Something important, although many of the things we are saying right now with Guillermo, you will find them in the instructions section. You will have compulsory activities, and then you will have some optional activities. So it's up to you how much time you have to devote to the course, but there are also those compulsory and mandatory activities that you need to be able to fulfill the credits to pass the course.
So the mandatory activities are usually in the form of a forum, and you have usually one per work that we are going to be dealing with, either in prose or in drama. And always remember that the good thing and the good thing to do on a forum is, of course, uh, have ideas on the work and or on the critical articles that we present, but also react not only to those texts, but to what other students do say, their ideas, react to what your peers say, because that is part of the construction of knowledge, not only your own understanding of the text, but also your reaction to what other students react to and the way they see the works, right?
Right. The important thing is that you can always count on us for any doubt that you have. We will be answering any questions you have always through the Moodle classroom, right? This will be our channel of communication. But we are going to be available for any questions you might have, regardless of the fact, regardless of who teaches each unit. Both of us will be answering questions on the doubts that you might encounter while taking the course. So feel free to ask. There are no silly questions. You can learn from the questions your classmates ask, and don't be afraid of asking, right?
And it is also important, even though we have prose and drama and the classes, and we're going to be teaching one unit each every week. If you have a question on prose or on drama in the weeks in the middle, do write to us if you're preparing for the next topic, or if you have questions about the past ones. Write to us. We are a team. We're working together. We know what the other one is doing, so we should be able to answer your questions quickly. And if not, we'll talk on the phone, because that we do too. And
Okay.
what about the optional activity, the reader's response compositions, for example?
Well, not all of them are optional. From all the reader's response, you will have two which are compulsory, and you will have to choose one from drama and one from prose. Two are compulsory, the others are optional, in case you want to do some more research.
Right. And once these 6 weeks of work and reading and discussions are over, you would have approximately a month to present the full paper, which is the mandatory requirement for the completion of this course. Again, if in the process of that month you have questions and you pick any work, of course you can contact us and we can guide you and provide critical articles, reading materials, and the like.
Exactly. Okay. So let's see you on Monday.
Yes, in my case, a week from Monday, but we are delighted to have you here. And this is fun. We should do this more often. We should, you know, the double screen and the both of us talking. We should actually start making money in the neighborhoods, as they say.
Well, you know the difference now. He loves the theater and he likes being in the limelight. It's not my case anyway.
But you look very, very, very good on your side of the screen. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Looking forward to meeting you. Bye-bye.
Bye.